In this video, you'll learn how to see bid history on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to track the bidding activity on auction items of interest, allowing you to make informed decisions before placing your bids. Start by searching for the auction item you are interested in on eBay. Use the search bar at the top of the eBay homepage to enter relevant keywords or the item's name. Once you find the auction listing, click on it to open the full product page. On this page, you will see details such as the current highest bid and the time remaining before the auction ends. Next, look for a link labeled Bid History or See Bid History on the auction page. This link is typically located near the current bid amount, making it easy to find. Once you click this link, a new page will open displaying the recent bidding activity for the item you are viewing. On the Bid History page, you will see important information regarding the number of bids placed, the bid amount, and the partial usernames of the bidders. This data provides insights into the competition for the item and the bidding patterns. By reviewing this information, you can gauge whether it is worth placing a higher bid before the auction concludes. It is important to note that understanding the bid history can significantly influence your bidding strategy. If you notice a high frequency of bids, you may want to consider your maximum bid carefully. Additionally, keep in mind that the auction will end at a specific time, so monitor the remaining time closely as you decide your next steps. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.